How to add Dropbox to the home screen on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Dropbox. Now make sure that you have installed this application, and as you can see on the screen, I've already installed it and there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Dropbox application. So all we have to do is go back and swipe up to read the app launcher, and here you can see the application of Dropbox. So in order to add it to the home screen, what you simply have to do is make a long press on the application, drag it to the home screen, and then place it wherever you would want to get it on your device. So you can just drag it and take it to your home screen, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.